It stands out with its intricate network of canals and stunning architecture. Venice is both poetic and romantic, adorned with ancient bridges and charming gondolas gliding through the waterways. Nestled in the heart of Italy, it is embraced by captivating beauty and sophistication, much like its inhabitants. Every corner of this city seems to be blessed by nature, where one can feel elegance and excitement at every turn. Notable landmarks include St. Mark's Square, home to the magnificent St. Mark's Basilica, and the Campanile Bell Tower. Museums like the Gallery dell'Accademia and Venetian palazzos offer a deep insight into the city's rich artistic heritage. Additionally, the famous Venice Carnival attracts millions of visitors each year with its vibrant costumes and unique artistic events. With its enchanting atmosphere and quaint streets, Venice truly is a magical destination that provides unforgettable experiences for all travelers.